Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Typora, MarkText, and Obsidian, and I will help you to decide which Markdown editor is better in 2025. So let's go through each of them. Typora is known for its clean, destruction-free writing interface and real-time Markdown rendering, while MarkText is a free, open-source alternative to Typora with a similar live preview writing experience. Obsidian is a powerful Markdown-based note-taking app focused on linking notes, graphs, and PKAIM, or personal knowledge management. So let's break them down. Number 1 for interface and editing experience. Typora and MarkText provide seamless WYCIWYG Markdown editing, which is great for writers and bloggers, while Obsidian's uses split view and raw markdown editing with features focused more on linking than layout. Number 2, their features. Obsidian has plugins, backlinks, graph views, and support scripts. It's more for thinkers and researchers. While Typora is about elegance and simplicity, no plugins is involved, just pure writing. And lastly, for MarkText, it is similar in Typhora but lacks some of the polish and stability that it has. Number 3, platform support. All three of them support Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. But Obsidian also has mobile apps, giving it an edge for sync across devices. Number 4, customization and plugins. Obsidians win in this aspect because of their hundreds of plugins, themes, and integrations, while Typora has minimal customization and MarkText offers light theme tweaks. Number 5, their pricing. Typora is paid after a trial period, while MarkText is fully free and open source. And lastly, Obsidian is free for personal use with optional sync and commercial licenses. So to summarize and to for final verdict, you can choose Typora for elegant writing. You can pick MarkText if you want a free Typora alternative. And you can go for Obsidian if you need a deep linking and advanced note organization. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.